Do you know most cancers begin in epithelial tissues because these cells divide rapidly and accumulate DNA errors? Stay tuned and watch the rest of this video for both muscular and nervous tissues explanation. Thank you.
Muscular tissue, the body's engines. Muscle tissue is the only fabric in the body that can contract. This movement is what allows you to walk, breathe, and circulate blood. The three types. Skeletal muscle is voluntary and striated. Cardiac muscle is also striated but involuntary. Skeletal muscle, attached to your bones. This is the only one you control consciously. For example, waving your hand. It looks striped under a microscope. Smooth muscle is found in the walls of your stomach and blood vessels. It works automatically to move food along or control blood pressure. Cardiac muscle is only found in the heart. It never gets tired and pulses rhythmically your entire life.
Nervous tissue, the body's internet.
Nervous tissue is the communication system. Signals travel between brain and body through nerves. It's made of specialized cells called neurons that send electrical signals from one place to another.
Neurons are the wires of the nervous system. They form a vast, branching network, spreading from the brain throughout the body, carrying electrical signals that control every function.
They have long tails called axons to send messages over long distances. Glia are the support crew. These cells don't send signals, but they protect and feed the neurons. If you touch a hot stove, nervous tissue in your finger sends a hot signal to your brain. Your brain then sends a move signal back to your muscles. Summary table. Tissue sample A shows normal cellular architecture. Tissue sample B shows disorganized cells and increased mitotic activity, indicating pathology. Tissue type. Layman's role. Primary example. Epithelial tissue acts as a wrapper, covering and lining our bodies. It's found in the skin and the lining of the stomach. This protective layer is essential for our health. Connective tissue is the glue and frame of the body. It includes bone for structure, blood for transport, and fat for cushioning. These elements work together to support and protect the body's systems. Muscular, the motor, heart, biceps. Nervous, the wiring, brain, spinal cord. To understand how these four tissues cooperate, let's look at the heart. The fibrous pericardium protects the heart. The muscular myocardium contracts to pump blood. The smooth endocardium lines the chambers, ensuring efficient blood flow. It is the perfect example of a biological machine where every fabric has a specific job.
Please kindly subscribe to this channel, comment on this video, like and share. Thank you.